Hello everyone, this is Melam Rabzang and welcome you all in my presentation. Today I'm going to explain on row span and later my friend will explain on call span in the next presentation. Row span, before knowing what is row span and how the row span is done, it is very important to know how to create the table using HTML codes. Let's say I want to create this table using the HTML codes. Basically in this Word document it's very easy to create this kind of table using those tools like insert and drag and drop only, but in websites we don't have those tools and we can create the table, so we have to use some codes to create the table in the websites like in HTML. So I will demonstrate you how to create the table using the HTML codes. Let's say we are going to create this table using the HTML codes. Before that we have some codes. I will explain these codes. These codes is very important. The codes in HTML to create table. I'm going to use those codes to create the table. This table and slash table, this code is going to use to create the table. To create table, first we have to use this code, then we have to use this code, second tr slash tr, we have to close the tr, and third we have to use the th. Th is used for table heading. Table heading means it is usually come in the ball in the table, like first, second, third, Monday, Tuesday. This is going to be the table heading for my table here. So to insert this first, second, third, Monday, Tuesday, we have to use the code th, and less td. It is used for the table data. As I mentioned here, it is used for inserting the table data. For table data, like the table data in my table is a b c d e f. To insert this a b c d e f, I have to use this table data td. Now I will use those codes and demonstrate you how to create table. Let me demonstrate. First, as I have mentioned, we have to use this table. Inside this table I have mentioned, or I have inserted this border is equal to 1, cell spacing is equal to 0. If I don't mention this border is equal to 1, then I will not get the border there and only the words. So for that reason I have used this border. And cell spacing, for the appropriate cell spacing I have used this code. Cell spacing is equal to double inverted comma inside this the 0. Then after that first table row, we have to close this table row again. Sorry, here, and inside this we are going to insert the data. First in this row, first row, we are in this first row. In this first row, in the first column we don't have anything. We'll keep th, close th, we'll keep as it is, and th slash th. For here we have the table heading first, isn't it? So we have to insert FIRST first, and for the ease of our work, we can copy the following data using Ctrl+T. Okay, for here we have second, and here third. Now I have finished inserting the first row. Now I'm going to second row. I'm going to second row. Again we have to use this code TR for the second row. Enter, close the TR, and inside this we have first in the second row. In the second row we have Monday. It is in bold, so we have to use table heading TH. First close TH, and inside this we have Monday, isn't it? So Monday and Monday, and in the second column we have A, right? B, C. So ABC is table data. For that we have to use TD. TD is equal to, close first TD, table data we have A. For the ease of work, go to Ctrl+G, then insert it again, B, C, I have done inserting the second row. Now I'm going to third row. I'm going to third row, again TR for the third row, close the third row, inside this. First we have Tuesday as table heading, DEF as a data. Table heading, for the table heading we can use TH, close the table heading. We have TUSDAY Tuesday. Inside it we have table data. For that TD, you can use TD, close the TD. We have TD, TEF, no? For the ease of work, use Ctrl+D. Okay. E, D, and F. Now let's save it and let's run it. Run, launch in Firefox. Refresh it. Oh, ABC. So I have done mistake. Okay, sorry, I forgot to put this close bracket. Go here and refresh it. Oh, sorry, I forgot to saved. and go to here and refresh it. Yes, now I have this table same as this, first, second, third, Monday, Tuesday. I have designed this table using the code exactly as this, using the HTML code. So coming to roast pen, now I will touch how to do the roast pen. Basically in this Word document, if I want to merge this AND, first we are going to select this cell, to cell AND, and right click and merge cells, isn't it? We are doing like that in Word document, but in the website, in the HTML, in the table, we have to use the codes called row span. For that I'm going to demonstrate you. The row span is done in the second row in the first column. So I have to go to the second row. I have to go to the second row. First row is here and second row in the Monday, isn't it? Yes, in Monday I have to go here and for here I have to insert row span is equal to is equal to how many row span is done here? Row span is done Monday and Tuesday, isn't it? Monday and Tuesday, 2 row span. So I have to insert here as 2. Row span is equal to 2, and I have to delete this D because there's no longer D in here, because the Monday and Tuesday A and D is been merged and we don't have D here, so we have to delete it here, because when we save and control and run it, we are getting the output as error. So for that we have to delete it first, so that the error will not come in the later. So I have deleted. Now Ctrl plus S and go to Firefox and refresh it. Sorry, I forgot to put the close bracket. Ctrl plus S, go to Firefox and refresh it. Sorry, TD Monday row span is equal to 2. Oh, sorry, close bracket should be here. A. Now Ctrl plus S, I expect the output will be correct. Now go to Firefox. Yes, A. I did row span. Now my table is same as this in the Word document here. I did this using the Royce pen. So this is what the Royce pen is called. Thank you so much for your attention, and if you have doubts, do let me know.